Hi everyone, this is Mr. No. Today I will show you one tool. It's called Descript.com. So there is a new way to make videos, and this will create captions for the videos very effectively without creating it manually. So that is what this tool is known for. So if I show you this how it works.
The thing I love about surfing is it never stops challenging you. It's a journey through the waves, but also through your very soul.
These nuggets are made from chicken.
Manatees are the Cadillac of marine mammals.
Just wanted to welcome you to the team with this little video. You need to capture your screen while recording yourself? Descript does that.
Emulate the taste of like non-chicken nuggets.
Yeah, I went too far. Okay.
So, these nuggets are made from chicken, but they're made to emulate the taste of non-chicken nuggets. Dope.
Oh, that's much better.
Then edit all the blather out of your videos because my time is very precious.
Oh, that's fire.
It's been said that manatees are the Cadillac of marine mammals.
Perfecto. Can you fix the color while you're there? Make it less teal and more
Cerulean? Sure. It needs more style. It needs more clips, more gifs, more.
Replace your background with something more fun? I prefer the cold void of outer space.
Let's boost that sound quality. Emulate the taste of non-chicken nuggets. Emulate the taste of non-chicken nuggets. Dope.
The thing I love about surfing is it's a journey through the waves. It never stops challenging you. Well, I might have made it too gnarly.
Sounds tasty.
It's a real movie, Rhonda.
Yeah.
I hope this information is useful. Thank you very much.
Subscribe now and press the bell icon. Never miss an update.